Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Vince, and today in the kitchen we are making Italian hot dogs. It is a very simple sandwich, but you gotta use the right ingredients. So for this New Jersey classic, we are going to use a sub roll or Italian roll. You have the option of using a pizza roll or a round loaf. You know, as a kid I used to wonder, hey, what's up with this triangle bread? Turns out, just a pizza roll cut in quarters or in halves. So for our hot dog, I prefer to use a good beef hot dog, peppers and onions. We want to make sure we season our peppers and onions as we grill them with a little fresh oregano, fresh thyme, some salt and pepper. And to top it all off, you gotta use fried potatoes. No French fries. Fried potatoes. So let's get our oven ready and start to make this sandwich. First, we slice our peppers and onions into quarter-inch strips. We place them on an oil griddle set to medium-high heat. Saute them till tender in the center. Next, we season our peppers and onions with a little fresh oregano, fresh thyme, salt, and pepper. We then cut our potatoes into bite-sized pieces. Also, be sure to rinse your potatoes to remove any excess starch and dirt. Next, grill your hot dogs until done. Deep fry your potatoes until golden brown. To assemble our sandwich, we start with our hot dog, peppers and onions, then potatoes. And we top with your favorite condiments. Mine, of course, a little ketchup and mustard. And there you have it, folks. A Brick City original and Italian hot dog. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Thanks for hanging out with us. We'll see you next time.